The nose is sort of a signpost on the face. It sends signals to others about who you are and where you come from and what you look like. And most people want their nose to fit in. And that's what Aristotle says is beauty, when all the parts fit together without one part standing out. And most people don't like a nose that stands out and makes them looked upon as, oh, that's that person with the big nose, that's that person with the hump on their nose, that's that person with the droop on their nose. They just want to be known as Sally or Jim or Bob. Well, I've been doing rhinoplasty now for over 25 years, and I've done thousands of them. Written a number of scientific journal articles about ways to do rhinoplasty that are now included in some of the basic training for rhinoplasty for surgeons. I lecture quite a bit on rhinoplasty across the country and the world, and I've written several book chapters in this area. There's only one little incision that we make in most rhinoplasties. It's just on this little center post here. It's very easily camouflaged, hard to see. Most people don't even remember that this incision was there, as long as it's closed meticulously and placed in the right position. Well, I've developed some procedures for approaching the nasal tip, which is this area of the nose, which is the most difficult one to deal with. It's easy to take a bump down from here to narrow a nose, but to get the tip in the right position is more difficult. I've described one procedure for rotating the tip up and bringing it closer to the face, one for bringing it down, one for bringing the tip out. And in some ethnic noses, the tip is not projecting enough. And these are procedures which are now taught to residents across the country. Dr. Joyce Brothers talked about this, that when we feel good about ourselves and look good, that other people appreciate that, and they can tell that we feel good about ourselves. And then other people, when they see that we have that positive approach, then they treat us better. And we know that good-looking people get the job, they get higher salaries, they get the spouse that they want, and they usually get a better stance in negotiations. All that's been proven psychologically. So it's natural for us to want to look better, and that's what rhinoplasty can help accomplish.